Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can uninstall the Instabridge app on Android. So if you install this app as your Wi-Fi search a app or Wi-Fi hunter, and you cannot yet use this app before set this app as a default launcher. As you can see, this app keep asking you to set Instabridge as default launcher to make a quick Wi-Fi access and power search. Do not tap this, just skip for now, close to make easier to uninstall. You can skip, close again. So if you're still confused how you can use this app, because this app keep asking you set as a default launcher and you don't want to use this again, just uninstall. But if you try to close here, this app keep asking you system launcher, Instabridge home app. Just don't ask again and use your default system launcher. Hold this icon and try to uninstall. If you cannot see this uninstall button, there is another way. Just go to the Play Store and uninstall from Play Store here. Just tap Instabridge and try to uninstall from Play Store. So there is two way here. Please free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the button below. See you in the next video.